Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Coffee Podcast, the place where you learn real English through real conversations. Before we start, I have a question for you. If someone asked, "How was your day?" could you answer naturally without translating from your native language? Most English learners can't. They usually say, "It was good," or "Fine," and then the conversation ends. But today, that's going to change. Because by the end of this episode, you'll know how to talk about your day like a confident English speaker. And here's today's challenge. Don't just listen, speak with us, repeat our sentences, answer our questions, and stay until the end because Jack and Olivia will have a real conversation and you'll understand every single line. Ready? Let's grab our coffee, take a deep breath, and get started.
Hi everyone, I'm Olivia, and I'm so happy you're here. Learning English doesn't have to feel like studying. It can feel like talking with friends. That's exactly what we're going to do today. So, Jack, let me ask you something. How was your day?
Honestly, it was pretty busy. I had 2 meetings this morning, answered a lot of emails, and spent most of the afternoon working on new ideas for the podcast. But overall, it was a really good day. How about you?
Mine was great. I started my morning with a hot cup of coffee. Then I went for a short walk. The weather was beautiful. After that, I read a few pages of a book, worked on my English lessons, and now I'm here talking with all of you. I'd say it was a productive day.
Did you notice something? Neither of us said only, "It was good." We added details. That's what native speakers do. Even one extra sentence makes your English sound more natural. For example, instead of saying, "My day was good," you could say, "My day was good because I finished an important project." Or, "My day was relaxing because I stayed home and watched a movie." See the difference? Now the listener knows something about your day, and the conversation keeps going.
Now it's your turn. I'll ask you a question. After I finish, pause the podcast and answer out loud. Ready? How was your day today? Great! Don't worry if your answer isn't perfect. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is confidence. Every sentence you speak makes you a little better than yesterday.
Let's learn another natural expression. Instead of saying, "I was very busy," you can say, "I was super busy," or "My schedule was packed." Americans use these expressions all the time, and they sound much more natural in everyday conversations.
Here's another expression you'll hear all the time. Instead of saying, "I was tired," try saying, "I was exhausted," or "I was worn out." Those expressions are stronger and much more natural. For example, "I was exhausted after work," or "I was worn out after studying all day." Can you repeat those? Exhausted. Worn out. Great job.
Now let's build a complete answer together. Imagine someone asks, "How was your day?" Listen carefully. "It was pretty busy. I had a lot of meetings. I finished an important project. Now I'm ready to relax." Simple, natural, confident. That's exactly how real conversations sound.
Let's practice another one. How was your day? You could answer, "It was relaxing. I stayed home. I watched my favorite TV show. Then I cooked dinner. Now I'm enjoying a cup of coffee." Did you notice something? Every sentence is short. You don't need difficult grammar. Simple English, spoken confidently, always sounds better.
Now let's make it a little more interesting. What was the best part of your day? Think about it. Maybe you finished your homework. Maybe you talked with a friend. Maybe you learned something new. Whatever it was, say it in English. Go ahead, we'll wait. Nice. Every time you answer out loud, you're training your brain to think in English. That's one of the fastest ways to become fluent.
Sometimes people also ask, "What did you do today?" Here's an easy answer. I went to work. I answered emails. I had lunch with my coworkers. Then I came home and relaxed. Or if you're a student, I went to class. I studied for my exam. I finished my homework. Then I watched YouTube in English. Simple, clear, natural.
Let's learn a few expressions that native speakers love. I had a long day. That means your day felt busy or tiring. I can't wait to get home. That means you're really excited to go home. I finally finished it. That means something took a long time, but now it's done. These expressions make your English sound much more natural.
Now let's have one more real conversation. Jack, how was your day?
Honestly, it started a little slowly. I spilled coffee on my desk this morning. Not the best start. But after that, everything got better. I finished my work, answered all my emails, and now I'm recording this podcast with you. So I'd say it turned into a great day. How about yours?
Mine was wonderful. I spent some time reading. I practiced my English. I called my family. Then I made another cup of coffee because you can never have too much coffee. Now I'm ending my day by talking with all of you. That's a pretty good ending.
Before we finish, let's review today's vocabulary. Busy, packed schedule, relaxing, productive, exhausted, worn out, long day, finally, overall, can't wait. Try using
Let's learn a few
expressions
that native speakers love.
today. The more
had a
you
long
use
day.
them, the more
That means
natural they'll become.
Your day felt busy or
now
tiring.
it's your challenge.
I can't wait to get
Answer
home.
this question in the
That means
comments.
You're really excited
How
to go
was
home.
your day today?
I finally finished
Write
it.
at least 3
That means
complete sentences.
something took a long time, but now it's
Don't
done.
worry about making
These expressions
mistakes.
make your English sound much more natural.
Every comment is practice.
Now let's have one more
and
real
every
conversation.
Sentence
Jack,
brings you
how was your
one
day?
step closer
Honestly,
to speaking
it started a little
English
slowly.
confidently.
I spilled coffee on my desk this morning.
If today's
Not the best start.
conversation helped you,
But after that,
please
everything
support
got better.
the channel.
I finished my work,
Subscribe
answered
to
all my
English
emails,
Coffee Podcast.
and now I'm recording this podcast
Give
with
this
you.
episode
So
a thumbs
I'd
up
say it turned into
and
a great
share
day.
it with someone
How about
who's
yours?
learning English
Mine
too.
was wonderful. I spent some time reading.
Every week
I practiced my
will help
English.
you
I called my
improve your
family.
listening,
Then I made another
your
cup of coffee
vocabulary,
because you can
your
never have too much
pronunciation,
coffee.
and
Now
your
I'm ending my day
confidence.
by talking with all
One
of you.
conversation
That's a pretty
at
good
a
ending.
time.
Before we finish,
Thanks for
let's review
spending
today's
your
vocabulary.
Coffee break with us today.
Busy,
Keep
packed schedule,
practicing. Keep
relaxing,
speaking.
productive,
Keep believing in yourself.
exhausted,
And
worn out,
remember, the best
long
way
day,
to learn English
finally,
is to use it
overall,
every single
wait.
day.
Try using at least 3 of these expressions today. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become.
Care.
Now it's
And
your challenge.
enjoy your
Answer this
coffee.
question in the comments. How was your day today? Write at least 3 complete sentences. Don't worry about making mistakes. Every comment is practice, and every sentence brings you one step closer to speaking English confidently.
If today's conversation helped you, please support the channel. Subscribe to English Coffee Podcast. Give this episode a thumbs up and share it with someone who's learning English too. Every week, we'll help you improve your listening, your vocabulary, your pronunciation, and your confidence, one conversation at a time.
Thanks for spending your coffee break with us today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself. And remember, the best way to learn English is to use it every single day. We'll see you in the next episode. Until then, take care and enjoy your coffee.